All right, guys, this is the end of the Mustang era. The lower control arms got a little caught, so yeah, but we got it on. I parted out everything, and honestly, I made my money back and then some. Financially, it was a smart decision, and it just kind of is what it is, guys. So hopefully no one's too mad at me, but what are you gonna do? Sometimes if it's not the right one, it's not the right one. Let's get it to the scrapyard. All right, guys, we ended up with $30. We'll take it. All right, guys, it's official. So that Mustang is gone. It's done. You guys just saw it happen. I got the Z28 in. The shop's a mess. All this stuff. I do have someone coming to pick up Saturday, so that's a plus. I did okay. I will say that it was probably the smartest move that I made as far as me going through parting the car out. I made my money back and then a little bit. So financially, it was a good move. Project-wise, it's probably a good move. This car, like I said before, it's nicer. It's a lot nicer. Everything's already been done. I did the suspension, the brake lines, the brakes. Everything's all brand new still. Don't mind me, I'm a little sick. I'm still trying to get stuff done because I want to get a video out because I know they've been kind of slow lately, but it's just because that Mustang, honestly, I didn't want to work on it. Because of that rust repair, it was horrible. I'm not going to lie to you guys. Like, it wasn't fun. Every time you'd go and weld on anything, it would literally just blow through. It was like welding tissue paper. So my ambition, honestly, I'm not going to lie to you guys, it wasn't there. But with this car, yeah, it's there. I'm very excited about this car. It's going to be awesome. I hope we can do some good stuff. I hope this is the first fast car that we actually have. We're planning 6.0, decent sized turbo, power glide, trans brake, and then we'll see if I do anything with the rear end. So that's the drivetrain. 6-liter turbo. 2-speed power glide with a trans brake. Things should do all right. A lot faster than the S10 that was running 13.5s. So I'm not going to be wasting any time on this. I'm going to dive right into working on this car. So if you guys have any questions about the car, drop a comment below. If there's anything else that you want to know, the story, how I got the car. If you look on my Facebook page, I posted some pictures of it. I've had this car right around since 2016. Mosquito just got me somehow. I've had this car right around since 2016, so it's been a little bit. It's going to be awesome to get this thing back going and finally bring this thing to the track. That was originally why I bought it. And back then when I bought this car, it was going to be a 5.3 turbo. I actually have a brand new, never been used 5.3 block that I bought straight from Summit, which came straight from GM. At the time in 2016, they had an overstock of the 5.3s. I bought the block at a great price, and it's completely brand new. I'll add some pictures of that in the video. Obviously, I don't have a build video or anything like that. So the car made it in. Let's get working. That's it, guys. It's just a quick little update. I'm going to leave you with that. Thank you guys for following along. The whole reason why I'm doing these videos is for you guys, and it's been awesome with everybody that's been following along. If you didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you guys on the next one.